everyone, welcome to another Tech Hub training video. Today we are going to be reviewing access termination controls on Excel. And so we are going to open up to our data set provided in the challenge. And so here we have all of this data. We have employee ID, name, their start date, and if the employee was terminated, their termination date, and then the day that their access was removed. And so the goal of this challenge was to make sure that the access removal date was within 1 day of the termination date, and the access was removed for all terminated employees. And so we can already kind of see here that Peter Young, he actually didn't have his access removed. But we want to make sure that we can get all of these people having their access evaluated. And so what we did for the solution is actually an if statement. And I'll show you here is the solution. It's this if statement. So you can read it, but basically if the termination date is empty, then it's a current employee, which is what's here. But if the access removal date is empty, then they are not removed, which is a problem. And then if this column D, has their access removal date being not within 1 day, it'll say removed late, and then if they do, they will be removed on time. So that's awesome. But without these colors, it's kind of hard to see. So we do some conditional formatting, and you can see the rule here when you go to manage rules, and every time a cell value is removed late, it's yellow, not removed is red, and removed on time is green, just to assess the risk. And yeah, and so then when I plugged this Excel sheet into ChatGPT, I asked it to give me a report. This is actually the instructions that I gave it. I said, can you write me a brief report of this access termination control based off of the criteria that access should be terminated within a day of the termination date. Help me evaluate whether the control is effective, include evidence to support, and provide recommendations moving forward. Your role as an analyst at Deloitte testing this access termination IT control. And so it gave me this whole spiel, and then I asked it to make it into a Word document, which you can download here. And this is my report. And so hopefully your answers look similar to this, and they might vary a little bit, but this is the solution. Thank you so much.